Woo! Oh my God, that's a beautiful, look at that. All the RGBs are all connected together correctly. That's pretty nice. That's a nice computer. Yeah, look at that EVGA. What's up guys? Welcome to How Much YouTube channel. My name is Idan.
My name is Roy.
Today we're going to review the Skytech Omega PC build from Amazon. This one has a 3090 from Nvidia, the RTX, the newest one. And we want to see if it's worth it to buy it from Amazon like this already built, or you can try to buy it from Nvidia website. Maybe your luck will work.
Yeah, you really need to try.
Refresh. God damn it. You probably didn't do that, so you probably can't get the RTX 3090. So another option is to go on eBay. It's like $2 grand, maybe $2,300 just for the GPU. So we bought the one from Amazon. We're gonna unbox it, see all the parts, see if it's worth it. We bought it for $3,699.99 before tax, and it should have pretty good specs in there. But we want to see what's the quality. On Amazon, it doesn't tell you the brand. You don't know. They might give you something crap. I also don't know the build quality. I have no clue. We're gonna have to find out. I'm actually very excited about this. I think it took only like 4 days for it to arrive from Amazon. Wow. All right. So we have some packaging material.
That's some cushioning to that.
Yeah. There's a nice booklet here from Skytech Gaming. I like their brand. They're actually pretty nice looking stuff. It says here that the guy who installed it, it's a nice extra feature. You know, you're paying $3,000, $4,000. It's nice to get that. Ooh, it comes with a keyboard. I didn't even know that. Is that like an extra gift? What kind of keyboard is that? Let's check it out. Oh, this is a nice gaming keyboard. This is from Skytech Gaming. It's metal, RGB. Actually looks pretty nice.
Also have a braided cable, so that's nice.
Okay, the Skytech keyboard looks like $22. All right, so maybe not as expensive as we thought. Oh, there's some mystery box here. Let's see what's in there. All right, we got a power cable. All right, and there's another box here, probably a mouse. Yeah, there's a mouse here. Looks pretty good, Skytech mouse. Also, I saw them like a bundling up for 30, 40 bucks. So together it's like 40 bucks, let's say, for the keyboard and the mouse. Oh. There's also a brand, even on the cover for the PC. That's pretty nice, I like that.
Okay, so there's a lever over here to open it up. And then of course there's the cushioning for shipping. If not for that, PC would never survive the shipping. Look at that.
Oh, wow, holy cow.
That's probably a 3-slotted one.
Before we go for the 3090, see how much the value for that video card is, let's go piece by piece. We'll start with the motherboard. So we have the Z490 by ASRock. So the motherboard is actually $225 on Amazon.
So the CPU underneath that water cooling thingy is 10900K. It's the top tier on Intel models, at least on the consumer side. That's the best you can get currently for gaming. 10900K goes right now on Amazon for $630. Might be cheaper or more expensive depending on when you're actually buying it. This is Corona, so everything is right now is more expensive.
All right, what about this G-Skull memory? Look at that, that's so cool. We have to take one out, see what kind of model it is?
Yeah.
Do it.
Opening the lever over here. There's a small lever right here. Okay, so that's the model. That's a Trident Z. That's an RGB.
The G-Skill here, we have 32 gigs. It's 2 sets of 16 gig kits. Each one is $92, so total $184 for the RAM. This water block with the 3 fans is first of all beautiful. It's awesome. But I couldn't really find the brand. Like it says Inwin, so it's the same brand as the case, but I couldn't find it online. But I'll call it like $170 to $200. Now let's talk about the build quality. It's pretty good. They did some wire management. I would say it's, you know, average. They could have done a better job hiding some more of the cables and stuff, but it's not bad at all for pre-built. You know, so I'll give them some money to the build quality itself. And there's also extra 3 fans here. and it's also in wind. So I need to figure out if those fans included in the case or not. But if not, that's probably another extra 20 bucks or 15 bucks each fan as well. Now let's look online for the GeForce RTX 3090 to see how much it's actually worth. Guys, I just looked online and this specific video card is $1,729.99 score. I thought for sure we're gonna get only $1,500, like the cheapest 3090 they can find to throw in there. So excited for this. It's coming up to be a really, really good deal. I don't know if we got lucky or this company buys it in bulk, but don't forget, I also bought it and got it in 4 days, okay? This is pretty impressive, especially if you wanna buy everything in here. Hell yeah, do that instead of getting ripped off on eBay or something. All right guys, time to check the other side. Let's see what kind of power supply is in there. They say 850. So we did got an 850, okay, let's see, it's upside down. Gigabyte, 850, 80 gold edition. And cable management, you know, it looks okay, you know, they didn't do like a great job. It looks like a little bit in a hurry, but at least they put everything together and the case closed nicely. So I'm not too bad, but not the prettiest setup. You know, this is the RGB lights for the CPU, I believe, just hang out in there, you know, not really connected to anything, but they could do a better job. Not terrible though, so we're gonna give it a pass. Let's see the price. The power supply is from Gigabyte and it's $129.99. Not bad. It might not be enough though, but we have to test it out and see. So let's plug it in. All right guys, so now we're gonna plug this computer into a screen and everything to see what kind of Wi-Fi card we got and also what kind of memory we got inside. So we can add that to our total price to see if that's worth it or not. We're now gonna start the computer. We plug it in the keyboard and the mouse that's included. We're gonna give that a try. All right, man, turn it on. Woo! Oh my God, that's a beautiful, look at that. All the RGBs are all connected together correctly. That's pretty nice. That's a nice computer. Yeah, look at that EVGA. All right, so let's plug it in for the first time, install some games, see what happens. After digging in on Specky, the app, we find out that the Wi-Fi card is TP-Link AC 1300. It's only 35 bucks, so they cheaped on this one. And we also have the ADATA 1 terabyte Gen 2 solid state drive. It's 100 bucks. They also cheaped on that one as well. It's not like the worst, or you know, the quality is okay. It's just cheapest. You know, that's like pretty much the cheapest Wi-Fi card that works, that's decent. The cheapest NVMe 1 terabyte that works, that's decent. I really want to test out the speeds though, because if the speeds are below like thousands, I'll be a little bit disappointed of the memory, and that's probably our biggest bottleneck, because everything here is spec'd out like crazy. And if we're not getting like, you know, 4,000, 3,000 megabytes per second read write, I feel like we are wasting a little bit. Here is a little bonus for my viewers. If you know me for long enough, you know I do a lot of Bitcoin mining stuff back then. So we decided to set up NiceHash to see what kind of mining performance we're getting with the 3090. It's a very rare card, not a lot of people have it. It's actually $2.50 per day. We're actually at $2.40 or so per day. That actually come up to $75 per month. You can actually make from this machine mining whatever on your 3090. That's actually pretty impressive considering it's only one video card. So the CPU only mines 24 cents per day, so it's not worth mining the CPU at all. But as I'm testing the system and putting a lot of load on it, I don't hear any fan noise, not increasing any fan noise. That's a really big plus. So they did a really good job with a bunch of fans, and it's very quiet, very powerful system. Now let's go over the pricing of everything, all the parts and the GPU. Is it really worth it to pay $3,699 for this? Or is it better to buy it piece by piece and do it yourself? Let's find out. eBay. So we're starting with $2,199 for the EVGA, the same video card as what's in here. The retail price for it is $1,730, okay? A Windows 10 OEM, because there's a Windows 10 Home in here. There's also 3 extra fans on the bottom. They're really pretty. You can see them right here. They added additional. So that's at $42.89 for the fans. We also have The power supply, the Gigabyte 850 watt gold edition is $129.99, pretty good. We also have the G-Skull 16 gigs, 3600 megahertz RAM. Every set is $92.99. That's 2 of those sets. Total 32 gigs of RAM. The case is $89.99, exact same case. For the water cooling system, it was hard to find exactly the same one, but this is the closest one I could find, and this one is $139.99. The memory is a bit cheap. We kind of got disappointed. You can see the speeds here. Only 1,800 read, 1,200 write. It's a cheap NVMe. We also have the i9-10900K. That's about $600 installed in there. Pretty nice. And we have a pretty cheap TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter for $34.99. In total, $1,687.79. If we add that together, $1,687.79 plus $2,199 for the GPU, $3,886. So it will actually be cheaper to buy the Amazon computer from Skytech than buying it piece by piece. And they installed it for you. Everything is ready to go. If we buy somehow the 3090 for retail price, the EVGA GeForce 3090 is actually $1,729.99. We actually come up to $3,417. Okay, if we minus $3,699.99, it's $282 difference. This is the premium that you are paying to get this. So in a perfect world, you will buy all those parts yourself, build it yourself, and save $282. In the real world, you cannot get the 3090. It's very hard, and it will take forever too. You might need to buy it for some random sketchy eBay seller that upped the price, or maybe the same thing, go on Amazon, pay $3,000, $2,800 for it. I will not do that. This is actually a really good solution if you want it now. If you don't want to wait, you don't want bullshit. Good job, Skytech from Amazon. I actually never heard of them. I didn't tell them I'm going to review this product. They don't know I'm a YouTuber. This is not a sponsored video. It's straight up, we bought it, we unbox it, and show you how it is. And I'll just upgrade the NVMe. If you're using Wi-Fi, I'll upgrade the Wi-Fi card. And that's about it. I mean, you should probably not use those mouse and keyboard. They work fine, but they're low quality. But other than that, this is nice. This is perfect. We must test this computer's performance. We're gonna run 3D Mark right now, DX11 TimeSpy. We'll see the result. I'm just curious because it's a very powerful computer. We just ran 3D Mark, TimeSpy DX12. We got 19,033 score. All right guys, so we're playing Doom and I'm getting, look at the FPS, 250, 270. And the settings are all ultra. Maybe it goes to 170 sometimes, Crazy graphics, dude. This is 3,440 by 1,440. And this is 144 hertz screen. So HDR is enabled. Let me show you guys the settings. So if you go to video, you see ultra nightmare quality on everything. We have also HDR on, as you can see here. So I enabled G-Sync. So we are stuck on 144, 145 frames. That's what this monitor can do. It will not drop below 144 hertz, no matter what I do. This is insane, dude. The quality is awesome. Yeah, I love it. Let's check out the power supply, how much we're pulling. So we're actually pulling almost 600 watts. Holy cow, 590 watts. That's insane. The 850 watts is definitely enough. You can tell the 3090 is stretching his muscles on this game. Wow. This was a long day, but this was really, really fun. We discovered that it actually is a good deal, especially right now, because if you're trying to build a computer like this, you'll go over the price that you buy this from Amazon, $3,699.99. Build quality is good. The GPU is really good. It was over the price I thought. They didn't give the cheapest one. They gave us an EVGA version that's $1,730.
Usually you get a Zotac or a PNY, which is like the lower quality ones. It's still okay, but getting an EVGA is definitely a benefit.
That was a big plus. So I think out of this whole build, the only cheap stuff was the NVMe. It was only like $100, was only 1,800 by 1,200. It's almost bottlenecking the system because you can get NVMe's for much higher for like $10 more, you know, $20 more. So that was something they cheaped out on. Also, the Wi-Fi card was also cheap, like $35, very basic Wi-Fi. It has no problem. All those things work. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but other than that, I am very, very impressed with this product, you know. I also knew that if we buy this on Amazon, I can return it if there's a problem, if I see that for some reason it's used parts or is the build quality so terrible, they cheaped out on parts, but they didn't. So I'm not gonna return it, so that's awesome. If you're interested in this computer, I'll leave a link below if you wanna buy one. It's actually a pretty good option. And it's an affiliate link, so I get a little bit of a kickback from that. So thank you for doing that. Thank you, Rui, for joining us for this video. You helped me throughout the video with the filming.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this.
Smash it. Smash the
smash that like
smash
button.
the subscribe
Smash it. And comment below what you think about this build and if you would improve any piece of it. Comment below. We'd like to know if you can get this any better other than swapping out the NVMe and the Wi-Fi card. And I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.